Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a PDF to Google Drive and create a shareable link. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, we will walk you through the quick and easy steps. Now, let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we will upload a PDF. To do this, click New in the upper left corner of your page. Then, click File Upload. This will open your files, and from here, locate the PDF file you want to upload. For example, this Chrome PDF file. If this is the file you want, click it and then click Open. As you can see in the lower right, the file is now uploading, and you will be notified once it's done. Here is your uploaded PDF file. To share it with someone, right-click the file and go to Share, then click Share again. A pop-up window will appear. From here, we will change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Now copy the link and close this window. We can send this link to anyone we want to share the file with. To confirm it works, paste the link, search, and open it. We can open it now. As you can see, the PDF file opens right away. The PDF is now uploaded to Google Drive, and we have a link ready to share with anyone. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and secure.